Amazon FBA sellers are now facing a liquidity issue. Two new rules hiked inventory costs by up to 25% almost overnight: the delivery date plus 7 payout delay and the end of $800 tax-free imports. Most professional sellers are now trapped in a 45-day inventory gap, a dead zone where cash is gone but profit is frozen. Traditional bank wires are a slow death for margins, but there's a specific way to bridge this gap by using existing credit lines to pay suppliers who don't even accept cards. Now, a quick note before we dive in: this video contains affiliate links. If you decide to try Melio using my link, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support the channel so I can produce more videos like this. Now, let's jump right in. The payment problem. Managing a global supply chain nowadays feels like juggling with one hand tied. On one side, you have domestic US suppliers who demand ACH transfers or paper checks to avoid processing fees. On the other, international manufacturers in China or Vietnam require telegraphic transfers, TT, for 30% deposits and 70% final balances. The manual process is tedious and prone to errors. Sellers often spend hours jumping between different banking systems, tracking due dates, and manually reconciling invoices. The biggest problem is the cash-on-delivery reality. Your money is locked in cardboard boxes on a container ship while your Amazon payout is held in reserve. Paying for your next shipment often requires liquidating personal savings or taking on debt just to keep the lights on. The digital solution: Melio for FBA. Melio has moved beyond a basic bill pay tool into a specialized accounts payable suite for e-commerce, acting as a strategic buffer between your bank account and your supplier's requirements. For Amazon Business Pay by invoice customers, the platform now offers a direct connect feature that automates the entire document flow. I found that the most effective way to use this is through the invoice import function, which pulls your Amazon business invoices into a single dashboard for batch payments. To get started, you have two quick paths. From the Bills tab, click Import Bills, choose Amazon Business, and sign in with your credentials. From Settings, go to Sync and Import, click Connect under Amazon Business, and click Allow to link the accounts. Once linked, invoices from the last 30 days are automatically added, and new ones will sync moving forward. From there, you can choose the payment method that maximizes your cash flow, whether that's a standard ACH or a credit card to extend your float. Let's look at a specific math of extending your float in a high-interest environment. Strategy 1: the credit card float. The most significant shift right now is the pay-by-card strategy. Melio allows you to pay a supplier by credit card even if they only accept bank transfers or ACH. Now, here's how the math works. Melio sends a supplier a standard ACH or check. You earn 1 to 2% in credit card rewards or cashback. You gain 30 to 45 days of float before your credit card bill is due. Late this year, where short-term business loans carry significant interest rates, paying a competitive net fee for a 45-day extension is often the cheapest capital available to an FBA seller. This boost to cash flow allows for reinvestment into new product lines or handling the unexpected 25% tariff costs now common in the industry. Strategy 2: international logistics and foreign exchange. International sourcing often gets stuck in a payment limbo. Traditional bank transfers can take days to clear, which puts your production on hold and frustrates your suppliers. Melio has solved this with competitive and transparent exchange rates. Instead of hidden fees, the exchange rate is shown to you upfront before you hit send, so you know exactly what the transaction costs are. But the real advantage is reliability. We're talking same day or T+1 delivery for international payments. This speed does two things: improves vendor trust. Your manufacturers in China or Vietnam see funds almost instantly, which often leads to better production priority. Solves the wait problem. You're no longer guessing when your deposit will clear so production can start. And because you can pay by card for these international vendors, you aren't just sending money. You're extending your cash flow by up to 45 days. While the standard currency exchange rate still applies, these combined rates are designed to be some of the most competitive in the market. You get to keep your capital longer and earn rewards on payments that would otherwise require a restrictive and expensive bank transfer. Strategy 3: streamlining the back office. The final piece of this strategy is batch and sync. Melio allows you to batch multiple invoices into a single workflow, which reduces the time spent on administrative tasks. To support this, Melio offers flexible subscription tiers tailored to your business size. This ranges from their free plan for those getting started all the way up to the unlimited plan at $80 per month for power users who need the full feature suite. At the moment, Melio also offers a 30-day free trial with the unlimited plan. Key efficiency features include the one platform experience. Managing your payments, domestic and global, in one place reduces manual work and gives you full control. Instead of jumping between banking portals, everything is consolidated into a single, intuitive dashboard. Two-way sync. Melio integrates with QuickBooks Online and Xero. When a payment is made, it is automatically updated in both systems, reducing duplicate data entry and manual errors. Consolidated payments. You can combine multiple bills to the same vendor into one transaction to minimize fees. Amazon Connect. In these settings under Sync and Import, you can link Amazon Business using your credentials. Once connected, invoices from the last 30 days are automatically added to your dashboard. Limitations. No tool is designed to solve every scenario, and Melio has a few considerations sellers should be aware of. At the moment, credit memos can't be applied when paying Amazon Business invoices through Melio. Also, the Amazon Business integration works as a one-way sync, allowing you to view and pay invoices in Melio, while payment status updates may not automatically appear in your Amazon dashboard. Lastly, the credit card fees work best when margins can support it or when cashback rewards help offset the costs. Conclusion. In the current delivery date plus 7 payout environment, survival depends on how long you can hold onto your cash. With the end of the minimum exemption import costs, learning how to pay Amazon FBA suppliers is no longer just admin. It's a competitive necessity. Successful sellers are adopting a hybrid strategy all within a single platform like Melio, using low-cost ACH for domestic bills, leveraging their competitive FX rates for international savings, and utilizing the Pay by Card feature to gain a 45-day float. By linking your Amazon account in Melio, you can automate invoice imports and sync with QuickBooks or Xero to keep your capital liquid and your back office efficient without jumping between multiple tools. So, ready to try Melio? For a limited time, click the link in the description below to start your 30-day free trial with Melio's unlimited plan. You'll get unlimited features for a full month. The perfect way to take control of your payments and see why Melio is the right upgrade for your business. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.